Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tadpole in a hole. It's by cooks.com, so if you want to see how to make this delicious meal, then just keep on watching. I will be giving you the recipe for a single, but I will be making it a double in the video. You will need 1 egg, 1 package of small smoked sausage links, 1 box of corn muffin mix, 1 4-ounce package of cheddar cheese, 1 can of corn, cooking spray, a bowl to mix everything in, a 9x13 pan. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next you want to spray your 9x13 pan. Next you want to get a bowl and mix everything together, minus the sausage. And you only want to do half of the bag of the cheese in this. Next you want to pour your mixture in your 9x13 pan. Then you want to add all your sausage links and just put them in your mixture in your pan. Just lay them all in there. Then you want to bake these for 30 minutes. Then you want to add half the rest of the cheese on top of it and let it sit for 5 minutes. And there you have it. I hope you guys like this video and give this a thumbs up if you like it. And leave it down below if you try this. And don't forget to follow all my social media sites, which is linked down below. Thanks for watching.